13/8 the reciprocal trig functions. We know about sine, cosine, tangent, but again, there's three more called cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And how those relate is cosecant is 1 over the sine, secant is 1 over the cosine, and cotangent is 1 over the tangent of theta. We're not going to get real in depth on these, at least not this year, but I wanted you to get exposed to them because you're going to see it next year in honors pre-calc and so on and so forth. So look at problem 2. This is more about just using your calculator to figure out what those are. And again, make sure you download that calculator I have for the Chromebook. I also posted one for non-Chromebook, so you have an Inspire calculator. But if you're doing, or not Inspire, a TI-84 calculator at your disposal, but if you do secant of 2, remember that's just the 1 over the cosine of 2. Okay, and that can give you about, in your calculator, about negative 2.403. Cotangent of 10 is going to be the same thing as 1 over the tangent of 10. So punch that in your calculator, you end up with 1.542. Okay, if you look at cosecant of 35, again, what's cosecant? Cosecant is 1 over the sine of 35. Again, punch in your calculator, you'll get something along the lines of 1.743. And then cotangent of pi, that's going to be the same thing as 1 over the tangent of pi. Okay, you end up with an error because of dividing by 0, because tangent of pi is 0. So that's why that gives you an error.